9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next and change. Now we will change hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Reverse 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next and change. Sir has joined the session. We'll check with him. Anna?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay, na. Happy morning, na.
Happy morning. Happy morning to everyone.
Mani sir, namaskaram.
Namaskaram. Happy morning. Happy morning.
Happy morning.
Done with the training? Practice session?
Yes, Anna. Just one more is left, but it'll take some time, right? You take over, Anna, so that we'll be able to finish the exercises. No?
Perfect. So shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Superb. So let us start our brain gym with whole body activation. So before starting, so let's start with our thanking or start the prayer with the Guru. Okay, let's come to Namaskara Mudra. Let's thank our Gurus first. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. Let us thank all the living gods in our life. Matrudevo Bhava, Pitrudevo Bhava, Acharya Devo Bhava, Atidhi Devo Bhava, Sangha Samskarto Devo Bhava, Vaitudevo Bhava. Let us thank our Mother Nature for providing us pure air, pure water, yummy and delicious fruits and vegetables, and beautiful flowers to survive in this world. Let's thank our Mother India for allowing us to stay in this precious land. Let's pray for the peace in this world. Asato ma sargamaya, tamaso ma jyotirgamaya, mrityorma gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Once again, thank you all for joining today's brain gym. So let us start our brain gym with the whole body activation. So let's take our hand, take our thumb and index finger, start pinching the edges of your fingers. While pinching, inhale, abdomen breathing. While releasing, exhale. Okay? So on instruction, start. Now phase one is for entire this thing. The first phase, you need to press it like a button. Okay? Press it and feel the pain. Inhale. Now line 1, hook. The line 1, make a ring and hook. Now the phase 2 button. Now the line 2, make a hook, again ring. Hook and press it. Skip the thumb. Now phase 3 button. Skip the thumbs. Now the joints hook, again ring. Now we are done with the finger therapy. It's time for palm therapy. Take your palm, take your thumb, start pinching the edges of your palm. So using your thumb while pressing, feel the pain and inhale. While releasing, exhale. So each and every point is nothing but energy point or meridian point. So each and every point represents one inner organ. So starting from lungs, heart, brain, liver, and kidneys. So wherever you are feeling an abnormal pain, which means you have to concern your family doctor for a basic checkup. Okay. So this is a palm therapy, and we are done with the Sujok therapy. So it's time for auricular therapy. So auricular therapy has 3 cycles. The cycle 1 is for outer line of our ear. So the outer line of ear, we are going to pinch it, okay? Pinch using the thumb and index finger, only the outer line. So pinch it, feel the pain and pull it. On count start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. Now it's time for cycle 2. Cycle 2 is for middle layer. Okay, middle layer we are going to button press. Press like a button. Okay, on count start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. Now it's time for cycle 3. Cycle 3 is for inner layer. So inner layer we are going to make a hook. So make like a ring. So we are going to hook it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. Now it's time for ear rotation. Take your thumb, place it behind your ear, press the entire ear, feel the pain, pull it, and on count, start rotating. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Reverse. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next. Change. Now it's time for deep breathing. Open the hands, the fist, using your small part of ear cap. Close your ear and using your middle fingers, close your eyes, upper fingers on the eyebrows, lower fingers connecting the nose. When I say 1, inhale, abdomen breathing, and when I say 2, exhale by making a B sound. Okay, so on count start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change. Now, slowly release your hands. Take your thumb. It's time for third eye activation. Place your thumb on your third eye, exactly center of your forehead, in between your two eyes. Press it, feel the pain, and on count start rotating. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Reverse. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change. Change your thumb. On count start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Reverse. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change. Now, rub your palms. Nicely generate the heat. Feel the warmth. Make a cup shape using your palm. Place it on your eyes. Feel the warmth. Take a long with the high energy. Hold for a second. And slowly release your breath and get relaxed. Release your hands. Start blinking your eyes and look at your palm with a beautiful smile on your face and relax. Now it's time to stretch our eyes. Let's stretch our eyes up, down, left and right. While stretching our eyes, inhale and exhale, abdomen breathing. So on count, start. Up, down, left, right, 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 up, down, left and right. Now it's time for Trataka, the most powerful exercise for the eyesight. Take your thumb, focus on the tip of your thumb. When I say 1, bring it closer to the edge of your nose. And when I say 2, move it away. So on count, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. Now it's time to rotate our thumb. So clockwise and anti-clockwise. Don't move your head, only focus on the tip of your thumb and move your eyeballs accordingly as your thumb moves. On count start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Reverse. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. Now, connect both the thumbs together. It's time to stretch your thumbs left and right. So, our instructions start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. Now, it's time to connect all your fingers. Focus on the tip of your thumb. Let's make lazy 8 or sleeping 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. Now, release your fingers, reverse, cross, connect, twist and down, twist and up. Bring it closer to your chest, below your chin. So close your eyes. It's time for gratitude exercise. Let us thank everything and everyone who are making us happy. So while doing this exercise, inhale and exhale, abdomen breathing. On count start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change. Now, slowly release your hands. Come to Namaskara Mudra. Let's pray for the happiness in this world. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. Samasta Sanmangalani Bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you all for joining today's Brain Gym. So we are done with the part 1. So I think we are on time. So if you don't have any questions, shall we switch to the task? Shall we?
Thank you, Guruji. Yes, Guruji.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for joining. So let me share you the
Thank
link.
you, Mani sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So let's switch to the task.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Guruji.
Thank you.
Thank you, Guru.
Yes. Thank you.